Hey guys! So the last baby that they got at the Doll and Bear Market is this adorable little monkey. And she's got these big brown eyes. It looks so cute on her. And she's got brown hair. And she also has her hair on her hands. So here is one arm, and then the second arm, and then she also has hair on her legs. And she's got such a cute hands. Here is the second one. And she came wearing this white onesie and this pink dress with white polka dots. It looks really cute on her. And she also has a matching headband. And maybe some of you remember that we already have one monkey. And yes, we do. We have this Bindi. And she's the identical monkey to our new one. And we got this one, I think it was 2 years ago maybe. We got her also at the Doll and Bear Market. And she's so cute as well. And the reason we got this one today is because she was such a good price and we couldn't pass it. Very good price for a reborn doll. And we thought it would be cute to have twins monkeys because they look so cute together. So we just have to find some matching outfits for both of them they can wear. And we still have to name our new monkey. Bindi is very happy to have another little sister so they can play together. And if you look at them closely, there are a few differences between them, so they're not exactly the same. Bindi is wearing this orange and yellow little outfit with her feet hidden. She's nice and cozy. And this one is wearing her new outfit that she came in today. So we will try and find some matching outfits so they look like twins. They're so cute together. Two little cheeky monkeys. So we hope you like them, and thank you for watching. Bye!